Students, today we are going to study the noun gender. First of all, we should know what is a gender. Gender is the quality of a noun or a pronoun that classifies it as masculine, feminine, common, or neuter gender. In a simple way, we can say that the quality that helps us to identify the nouns as masculine, feminine, common, or neuter is called gender. The English language has four genders. They are masculine gender refers to males, feminine gender refers to females, common gender refers to either males or females. Neuter gender refers to a non-living thing that is neither male nor female. Let us study these genders in a detail. Masculine gender, a noun that is the name of a male person or animal, is said to be in the masculine gender. Let us see the examples: actor, brother, hero, prince, lion, tiger, etc. All these are the names of male persons or animals. Feminine gender, a noun that is the name of a female person or animal, is said to be in the feminine gender. Let us see the examples: actress, sister, heroine, princess, lioness, tigress, etc. All these are the names of female persons or animals. What is a neuter gender? A noun that stands for the name of a thing without life is said to be in the neuter gender, which does not have a life. Example: book, chair, honey, computer, chalk, etc. Common gender, a noun that may be used both for males or females, is said to be of the common gender. For example, parent, father or mother can be is male or female. Child can be a boy or girl. Friend can be a boy or girl. Cousin can be a boy or girl. So they are considered as common gender. Always remember, collective nouns like army, class, club, committee, crew, crowd, family, jury, government, flock, etc. are used as neuter gender. They are considered as neuter gender. Small animals and creatures are used as neuter gender. For example, cockroach, ant, snake, fish, sparrow, worm, frog, lizard, leech, etc. All these small animals or creatures are considered as neuter gender. Artists, executives, and professionals are written as masculine genders. For example, novelist, actor, playwright, poet, anchor, etc. Let's see formation of feminine gender. There are different ways to form feminine genders. Let us study these. By a different word, by using a completely different word as the feminine gender. We do not add anything with masculine gender to change it into feminine, but we completely change the word as a feminine gender. We use completely different word as a feminine gender. For example, brother, sister, boar, sow, bull, cow, cock, hen, dog, bitch, drone, bee, bridegroom, bride, buck, doe, bachelor, maid, colt, filly, drake, duck, earl, countess. We can see in all these examples the word is completely different as a feminine gender. Some more examples, let us see. Father, mother, gander, goose, horse, mare, husband, wife, lad, lass, Mr., Mrs., nephew, niece, ram, ewe, sir, madam, uncle, aunt, fox, vixen, gentleman, lady, hart, roe, king, queen, man, woman, monk, nun, papa, mama, son, daughter, stag, hind, wizard, witch. Another rule is by adding ess to the masculine gender. We can add the suffix ess to the masculine gender to change it into feminine gender. Let us see the examples. Author, authoress, giant, giantess, host, hostess, Jew, Jewess, poet, poetess, prince, princess, count, countess, heir, heiress, lion, lioness, priest, priestess, tailor, tailoress, shepherd, shepherdess. Note, the form is slightly changed before adding ess. In some of the words, when we add ess to change it into feminine gender, we make some changes. That is, when some of the feminines are formed by adding ess to the masculine after omitting the vowel of the last syllable of the masculine. In masculine, if we are adding ess to make it feminine, we just omit, we just drop the last vowel. For example, actor, actor. Here in the last syllable there is a vowel o. So when we add ess with it to change it into feminine gender, we drop, we omit the vowel o. The spelling we get actress, actress. Emperor, empress. Here also the last syllable vowel o is dropped. emperess. Here e and o, two vowels are dropped. Hunter, huntress. Here the vowel e is dropped. Master, mistress. Tiger, tigress. God, goddess. Governor, governor, governess. Inspector, inspectress. Negro, negress. Waiter, waitress. Exemptions. This rule is not followed for some of the words. For example, hero, we get the feminine word heroine. Sultan, sultana. The next rule is by adding a word. By the formation of compound words, that is by adding another word to the feminine noun. In the compound words, the word which indicates the gender is replaced. Brother-in-law. In this sentence, brother is indicating a gender, the masculine gender. So it will be replaced with a feminine gender. The feminine of brother is sister. So brother-in-law will be changed into sister-in-law. Cock sparrow. Cock is masculine gender, its feminine gender is hen. So this compound word will be changed in this way. Cock sparrow will be changed into hen sparrow. He bear. In this compound word, he is indicating a gender, that is masculine gender. So he will be replaced to she to make it feminine gender. He bear will be she bear. Man servant, maid servant. Peacock, peahen. Stepson, stepdaughter. Bull calf, cow calf. Grandfather, grandmother. Landlord, landlady. Milkman, milkmaid. Stepbrother, stepsister. Washerman, washerwoman. Note some important points. Nouns in the masculine gender: sun, war, death, time, love, autumn, winter, etc. Nouns in the feminine gender: moon, earth, justice, peace, truth, charity, nature, spring, etc. comes under feminine gender. Nouns in the common gender: child, friend, pupil, relation, thief, cousin, bird, teacher, orphan, student, etc. comes under common gender. Thank you.